يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم إن زلزلة الساعة شيء عظيم. Oh people, oh humankind, oh humanity, اتقوا ربكم, fear your Lord. اتقوا ربكم, be conscious of your Lord. اتقوا ربكم, be mindful of your Lord. إن زلزلة الساعة شيء عظيم. The earthquake of the hour is a terrible thing. The earthquake of the hour is a tremendous thing. يوم ترونها, the day that you see it, تذهل كل مرضعة عما أرضعت, you will see every nursing mother will abandon the baby that she is nursing. وتضع كل ذات حمل حملها, and every pregnant woman will deliver prematurely on that day. وترى الناس سكارى, and you will see people as if they have taken alcoholic beverage, as if they are drunk.